jewelry, an expression of your individual style. Treasures that last forever. The perfect rings, bracelets, pendants, earrings, brooches, all custom designed for you. Here at GemBrokers, we share your passion for jewelry. For a quarter of a century, we've been offering our clients an exceptional selection of fine jewelry, extraordinary gemstones, and custom design services. We've built a solid reputation on bringing our clients' ideas to life. Our caring team of GIA graduate gemologists, designers, and jewelers perform all of their services on the premises and guarantee your full satisfaction. If you're looking for jewelry that reflects your unique image, GemBrokers is the place for you. Our leading-edge technology and design consultation allows us to better define your ideas. We transform your vision into precious objects of art, jewelry reflecting your own individual style, created just for you. GemBrokers is your full-service jeweler, offering rare fine gems, quality jewelry, expert state-of-the-art repair services, gemstone cutting and appraisals, custom design, quality service, trustworthy experience. Consider GemBrokers for all your jewelry needs. Your complete satisfaction is guaranteed. Contact us today and discover how we can help bring your jewelry dreams to life. Treasures that last forever. GemBrokers, where jewelry is an expression of your individual style.